Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Setting tool under the Vector Editor module in LiDAR360. The Setting tool is used to configure various parameters for the vector editing module, including symbology, conformation parameters, and snapping parameters. In the symbology page, you can set the display color, line type, and line width for selected entity, as well as the color for key points and middle points. Symbology settings can also be applied to all entities in the layer. Click Default to reset all settings to their default state. Additionally, you can right-click the layer to edit layer properties. In the Confirm page, users can choose whether to show crossing line, show context menu, or set the mouse left button double-click to finish editing option. You can set the auto-save interval to automatically save data to a backup file, which can be used to restore data if the vector module exits unexpectedly. In the Snapping page, the snap point radius parameter allows you to set the snapping range for vertices. That concludes the introduction to the Setting tool. Thank you for watching.